So you are able to refer someone to EasyEquities. EasyEquities will then reward you and the person you refer with 50 Rand each. The person you refer can use the 50 Rand to buy shares, but you as a referrer can only use the 50 Rand to reduce your brokerage fees. These are the fees you pay when you buy or sell shares on EasyEquities. To refer someone, click on your profile, select Refer and Earn, and a menu will pop up whereby you can share your link via email, Twitter, Facebook, or WhatsApp. And for someone to earn 50 Rand, they need to click on the link that was sent by you, the referrer, or simply enter the referral code during the registration process. And please note, a successful referral requires the person you refer to register an account, figure their account, deposit funds, and make their first investment. You can view the status of the people you referred by scrolling down. And as a reminder, you can press on the nudge button and EasyEquities will send a reminder to that person to finish the process so that you can earn your 50 Rand. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching and happy investing.